Brr. I'm out here with the Mavic Mini for the first flight. I'm just going to fly it around for a little bit to check the video out because I'm cold and it's windy and it's crappy and there's snow. Over there on the berm, there's snow. So I am going to start some video, hopefully. Yes, I am. Then I am going to take off. Oh, is it cold? Wow. And I'm using that new cable that I bought from Amazon that I showed you guys about, and the new phone adapter. Oh man, is it cold out here. Woo! And is it windy? Wow. Ugh. I hear a plane up there somewhere. This thing's pretty nimble. Now I don't have it in the sport mode. This is just the regular mode. Oh yeah, it's pretty nimble, man. I'm liking it. Wow. Woo! Wow. Very nice, very nice. I think I'm shooting in 1080. God, it's hard to look up into that sun, man, I'm telling you. Ugh. Ooh, man. Strong wind warning. It is pretty windy. I'll give it that. Let me look down here. I'm going to go over to where that berm is. Let me see here. Let me see how far that is over there. I'm not there yet. I think I'm just about there. Yeah, not quite. Not quite. I'm getting there. Trying to measure that. I'm always wondering. Okay, so I'm basically right over that berm, and that's 300. That's 300 feet. Okay. Okay, so that's 300 feet to that berm. Because that's when I was flying that thing last year, that unique breeze. It would, right past that, it would crap out. You know, that was your limit there. Let's see if you could fly it. Now that's as low as it's gonna go, right there. So that's not even 1 meter where it's gonna go into where it's not gonna go lower than that. So, and then if you keep pulling down on the stick from there, it's gonna land. I think that's how Rick, that Drone Valley guy, I think he brought it down to that spot and was doing that glide across the thing, and he hit that little berm there, and that's when he crashed it, but didn't hurt nothing. There's a lot of grass there. But I think that's what he did. I think he brought it down to that stop point, right to there. Oh, there it goes. It started landing. You gotta, when you get down to the stop point, you gotta stop. And then he like pitched it forward. Oh, I think, let's see, what did he do? He turned the camera down a little bit like that. And then tried to do like a little jobber like that. But he hit a high spot, see? He hit a high spot on the thing. And then he bumped it, you know. Okay, what am I looking at here for battery? I can't see nothing, of course. It says I got 17 minutes of flight time left. Holy crap. Okay, I'm gonna just stop this video here in a minute. Oh, this thing flies great, guys. I am so impressed with this thing right now. Okay, I just did a little 360 around the park there. I like on the app there, it has that little arrow there that tells you which direction the quadcopter's pointing. Really nice for beginners to have that little feature on there, and for me too, because you know you could lose sight of this thing, so you lose sight of it, so it has that little arrow down there. I don't know if you can see it with my hat cam, but it's right down there at the bottom of the screen. There's a little arrow that tells you which way the quadcopter's pointing, what the head is. Of course, you got the screen too, you know, but still, it's still a nice thing to have, you know. Yes, it's very nice. This thing is, man. Wow. I am super duper impressed with this thing. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here because I'm going to try one of those flight modes. Or no, I want to try to fly it without the app. I'll do the flight modes later. Now actually, I like this little things here for pads better than those landing pads with the H on there. I don't like them because they're made out of that cloth, and on some of my quadcopters the gimbal will hit on the cloth if there's grass under there. They're okay if you have them on like a concrete or something, but if you're in the grass, I don't like those. I prefer something like this. So alright guys, there you go. First flight. Man, this thing is nice as hell. I mean, it is really nice. Alright guys, you have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.